Hey everybody, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm currently just on a Waratah Central Station. We'll arrive into platform 16. The reason why I'm doing this video is that I want to show you guys what's left of platforms 14 and 15 at Central, as they have been mostly demolished. So once we get very close to that area, I'll put this clip into slow motion, like frame to frame slow motion, so you guys can get a proper look at what's going on. The platforms 13, 14 and 15 will be demolished as part of the Sydney Metro Stage 2 project. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and also subscribe to Sydney Trains Vlogs. Cheers!
This train will stop at Central.
So there you have it. A majority of platforms 14 and 15 are gone, and they have already started dismantling the awning on platform 13. So I dare say that they'll start digging into the platform itself on 13 very shortly. So yeah, that's all I can show you guys. Thank you for watching Sydney Trains Vlogs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to Sydney Trains Vlogs for more content, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.